Hello, YouTube and their crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of Equibit Crypto. Today, we're looking at Solana as the market overall is in the red. Uh, Bitcoin dominance is a little bit down, so that's all right for the altcoins. Um, as you can see in the last video, we made this triangle, and our target was hit, and I think actually our target was overshot on a bullish trade for Solana or a good buy opportunity. Um, let's see if we can move this without moving. Well, we can just leave it like that. That's okay. So as we can see, our target was hit, and then we came down, and now we are forming this head and shoulders formation. So this is a little bit of a warning, or maybe I'm not selling any Solana. I'm never going to sell any Solana, but it's always nice to know when to take a little bit of profit if you're in a trade, or if you're looking to buy. You might not want to buy exactly when there is the most risk of going down, because what we're seeing here is a head and shoulders formation that is just now finding support on the neckline, and we can see that we went into a bull flag here, um, from this, and we broke out of the bull flag. So the target really should have been for Solana all the way up to 250, almost 240. Um, but we did not hit that target. That's a little bit bearish in the very short term. I mean, I could sit here and sing and say Solana is going to pump to the moon. It's going to be a smooth ride. It's just going to go up, and that would probably get me more subscribers than actually telling the truth. Is that it's going to go up. I'm pretty sure, because Solana have the cheapest fees of all the coins, Ethereum, well, besides Wax, which don't have any fees, but from the large caps, Wax and EOS is not really large cap. The Solana do have the cheapest fees, and they are going up. That I am pretty sure of. But it's not going to be a smooth ride, and this channel is, if you just want to buy Solana and hold it, you will be fine. You will be fine as long as Bitcoin is pumping and the market is going higher. But if you want to make trades on the way, that's that when and know when to buy. That's why you should be subscribed to this channel. And right now we see this head and shoulders forming on the 4 hour, which is like the most used chart for traders, and it's a pretty clear head and shoulders. And right now we are on the neckline, and we found a little bit of support here, going up a little bit, but we are not out of the woods yet. If we close below this, we do have this moving average to support us here, the 100 moving average on the 4 hour. And the good news is also that if we go to 1 day, we do not have a head and shoulders, but we do have sort of an M pattern, which is also a bearish pattern. But let's look at the 4 hours and see what the bearish target would be if this were to break to the downside. And in crypto, um, uh, when these patterns form, traders are taking advantage of them. So the target would be all the way down to 150. I do not think we are going that far because everyone is very bullish on Solana, but I think there might be, um, if we make a horizontal line here from the prior swing high, I think if we break that, we are at least going to see a drop down here to 176. So that's a great buying opportunity. That's a great opportunity to add more. If you are in with a little bit more than you can afford to sleep sound at night, then if we go down here and close below and confirm it, then you might want to rethink how much you are putting in if you can't stomach the volatility. But I mean, I'm as bullish on Solana as anyone. So in long term, I have no doubt that we are going higher than this. It's just right now Bitcoin is pulling a little bit back. There was some differences in funding rates between exchanges used by the more advanced traders and the sort of retail traders, and this is a little bit of a bearish signal. So that's why Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dip, and of course the altcoins follow. That being said, I mean, on this channel we have talked about three altcoins. We are not talking about like every altcoin out there and saying, oh, we talked about this, we talked about this. All our altcoins we talked about is BNB, Solana, and Wax. And today is a day that we are doing very well. We can see if we go to Wax here, um, we made this triangle, and yeah, there's a bull flag in here as well. Here you can see the bull flag. We broke out of it, um, and when we saw the opportunity here to go in on the trade. Um, and now it's shot right to the moon. I think the reason for this is basically because if you go to Alien Worlds, which is a game that run on WAGs, then you can see that they mentioned something about the metaverse. I haven't had this confirmed from anywhere, but I think that's the reason it pumps, as that is what Facebook have changed their name to, and it seems like Alien Worlds, either they are pulling a fast one and just calling their space missions for metaverse, or there is some connection to Facebook, and I think that is what the speculation is. That is why we see Wax pumping up like crazy. But again, I'm not sure if I would buy Wax right here. Maybe if we fall down to this line where we have some prior support from the last swing high when they were added onto Binance, then maybe. But or if you can figure out if there is actually a connection to Facebook. But again, on Wax, I am super bullish. It's a blockchain that is free to use, no fees. It's designed for gaming, and I think we are going to see an explosion in cryptos that are designed for gaming with this whole new play to earn thing. I think there is over 20 games running on Wax already, and they've been doing quite well. So let's take a look at the coin we mentioned in our last video, which was Binance coin, BNB. We saw the same triangle forming, and we also had an inverse head and shoulders here, where we broke out. We confirmed on the neckline and we pumped higher. Now we are seeing a little bit of a drawback, but still, compared to most coins, it's holding fine, and that is because of this support here on the swing high. So it will be very interesting to see what happened. I think we need Bitcoin to find some support before Binance is pumping higher. But if we can hold this line here, then I am very confident that there will be a huge move for BNB. Let's see what the target would be in that case out of the symmetrical triangle here. It's not a perfect symmetrical triangle because we only have a few touches here. I would like this to have gone all the way down here before maybe we can make the triangle a little bit smaller and get some more. No, we can't really do that. So we just have to take it for what it is. And we see these large patterns in many coins now. So be wary that it might not reach the target, but the bullish target for Solana, as we said in the last video, is all the way up here at 8. No, not for Solana, for BNB, sorry. But I think first we have to concentrate on hitting the target from this inverse head and shoulders, which is up at 622. But it all depends on if BNB can find support here or maybe on the prior swing high here. So right now probably not the best time to get in. I would wait for either this to be confirmed and pump to a new swing high here, or to come down here to this more consolidated support. We can also look at the VPVR, which also have a huge volume support here at this line underneath here. And you see right where we are now, there are not much volume. So I would move this line here a little bit further down and say, okay, this is the first support level for, well, this is the first support level for BNB, but it's not very strong. This support level is stronger, and then we can add a third line for another buy opportunity, horizontal line at this price right here. So we might see BNB go down here, and that would probably be a good opportunity to buy if it all depends if Bitcoin where Bitcoin can find support. So we need to see Bitcoin finding support, BNB coming down a little bit before continuing its journey to the target of 622. Would probably take profits a little bit earlier as we come into some resistance around this area here. So let's make that our green line, and I will also be happy to just take this down here and say, okay, this is my target for now, and then re-evaluate and see what the pattern look like when we get to this target, if this is a place to take profit or if we should just stay in the trade. So I think that's it for now. I just want to mention that I read on the Coinbase an article about this statement of Facebook that's saying that the metaverse thing might not be as connected to crypto as the crypto market wanted it to be. So take that in mind, and I think maybe this wax thing with the alien worlds, maybe that was just a coincidence or someone being very smart. So keep that in mind. All right, that's it for now, and thank you all for watching, and subscribe and like and all that if you want to keep following the channel. Hit the bell notification, and I'll see you all the next time. Bye bye.